Hello boys, how are you? I hope everybody are safe and sound at home. Welcome to today's class. Dear students, so far we are going with the story Oliver Asks for More. Let us continue the story. Poor Oliver, as he lay sleeping unconscious of everything around him, the board had taken a decision that would change the course of his life. The members of this board were very wise and philosophical men. As they turned their attention to the workhouse, they discovered that it was the regular place of public entertainment for the poorer classes. It was the place where they had breakfast, dinner, tea, and supper all the year round and free, where it was all play and no work. This was really a shocking state of affairs. They were of the opinion that the poor should be given only two alternatives, either to starve quickly outside the workhouse or gradually inside the house. With this view, they decided that the inmates of their workhouse would be issued 3 meals of thin gruel a day with an onion twice a week. For the first 6 months after Oliver Twist was moved in, the system was in full operation. As a result, during this period, the number of workhouse inmates got smaller and the inmates themselves shrank in size and became thinner. So, dear students, what was Oliver ordered? He was ordered to go on pick the outcome right in that morning. So that here it is that after this incident, yes, so after this incident, so what was the incident when Oliver was not there in the workhouse of 15 minutes, and Oliver was asked, and also he was born to go on his duty to pick the outcome. So at that time that Oliver, he felt very sad, and he slept sobbing. And then whatever the decision the board has taken, that had changed the entire life of all the boys in the workhouse. So that the members of the board, here it is, what is the board? Already I told you, the organizers. So what did they decide? How were they? They were very wise and philosophical. The board members are very wise and philosophical. What is the meaning of wise? Intelligent. They are very intelligent and they are very logical. That means they could do the things according to the situation. So that what did they do? They turned their attention to the workhouse. So they turned their attention. Attention means nothing but observation. So suddenly they started observing what really was happening in the workhouse, and they discovered. What is the meaning of discovered here? Found. So they found something. How did they found? They found that the workhouse became a place of entertainment for the poor people, and where the people will be given the breakfast, dinner, tea, and supper as well. Supper means nothing but dinner. So that they felt that the poor people, those who were there in the workhouse, they just having fun in the workhouse, having all the meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and everything. They have not been given any work. They felt so. They felt that they are just enjoying in the workhouse. So they had taken a decision that so that the people, those who want to be in the workhouse, they have to work, and also the people, those who wanted to be in the workhouse, had been given two choices. What are the two alternatives? They have given two alternatives. One is to starve outside. What is the meaning of starve? Nothing but suffer from hunger, where you do not have food to eat, then you feel hungry. So that suffer from hunger is called a starve. So what they thought? They thought that the people, those who are ready to accept all the rules and regulations of them, they be in the workhouse. Otherwise, they will be sent out of the workhouse, so that they do not get any food, so that they starve. And what is the other option? Every day, 3 meal of thin gruel with an onion twice a week. First choice is they have to move out of the workhouse and they should suffer for hunger. And what is that other one? They thought they decided that. So every day the people would be provided three times of meal. And what was the meal? That was a gruel. Gruel means nothing but a thin liquid food of oats or rice. Nothing but it's just like a java. Yes, so that here it is, and every day three times, and twice in a week they will be provided with an onion. The gruel will be provided twice in a week, onion. So this is how the board had taken two decisions. Yes, and here it is. They decided that the inmates of the workhouse would be issued three meals of thin gruel a day with an onion twice a week. So these are the decisions have been taken by the board people. And what is the meaning of inmates? The persons confined to an institution. So that means what here? The people who were living in the workhouse. So because of that decision, so what was the decision? That every day three meal of thin gruel with an onion twice a week. That decision had been carry forwarded carry forwarded from that day onwards. And after 6 months, yes, after 6 months, having provided these kind of food, that means gruel, what was the effect of the effect to the inmates? Yes, then the system was in full operation. As a result, during this period the number of workhouse inmates got smaller and the inmates themselves shrank in size and became thinner, as they were not provided sufficient food for them. They became, so boys in workhouse got smaller, shrank in size, nothing but became smaller in size and became thinner, so that as they were not provided sufficient food, they became very weak. They did not grow properly, they did not have proper energy, and they became very, very weak as they were not provided sufficient food. So dear students, so this is all about today's class. And from this content today, here these you have come across the pronouns like they and they in the place of both. So what are they? These words they and they, these are the pronouns. Actually, what is a pronoun? Pronoun is a word which is used in the place of a noun. In the place of noun. Like he, she, it, they, them, their, his, him, her, etc. So dear students, so this is all about today's class. I hope you have understood well and will continue the story in the next class. Thank you.